Oh. Hey, there's the sun. Now it's hot.
Yeah, instantly. I was like, you could change. And, oh, it's gone again. Talking about the sun,
You
folks.
can chase it. It's over there.
When did it little standing pockets of water?
I think, oh. I don't know.
You think they're right there?
Right there? Yeah. Right
Yeah, that's exactly.
there. Yeah.
Should we push them off? No, I'm kidding. I'm just murderously joking. Just stick this out, don't just run it around. And, yeah, they're 100% right there.
Oh, we were so close. We're like, when are we gonna? Can we climb back down and just keep going?
Oh, there's multiple groups. Yeah. Look at the mess. Got a baby in there.
We got a baby?
Yeah, you got a baby down there.
That's cool.
Also, it was that girl that I mentioned on the way in.
I don't remember.
She was down there.
Oh, with the dog?
Yeah.
Oh. But the rock keeps going that way too. It's a huge. This is a giant
I
rock.
need to put this on
It's
YouTube.
like the biggest rock.
I was just gonna say, I'm gonna put this on YouTube and put the pen.
The rock. Is that the same rock on this? That might be the same rock. I don't remember what these are called. They create their own little ecosystems because they're secluded, and then they start growing stuff.
Should we get back towards the trail?
Well, there was one right there,
Yeah, that's the one.
but
We gotta.
I don't know. This is really neat.
Yeah.
This is kind of like Pedernales, but smaller.
There's a trail over there, I guess. We can hook up over there. There's that trail there too.
Yeah, because some of them cross creeks.
Look at this.
Yeah, this is like, I don't know. It's good jump. Jump over there. The giant pools that it makes over there. And the big pools. But we can go over there. Want to go over there?
Where?
Over that side with the bigger pool?
I don't know.
Do you feel comfortable crossing this water?
We definitely don't want to get our feet wet at the beginning of the day.
No.
So we should try not to.
He won't. Oh, he just did. I would
Not sure how they got there. Did they even get here from this side?
do what?
Did they get here from this side?
But you can.
Are you sure?
I think there's a better way than what. I don't know. Oh, I've never been here. I don't know. I don't think I've been in this spot if it has been in this spot. Oh, it's slippery. Is your foot wet already?
Yeah, a little bit. It's gonna like.
No, we
jump.
don't have to do this. We don't have to do this. We don't have to do
Not worth it.
this. We don't have to do this. Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, because we could, I mean,
You just.
you look like it was just fine, but I could slip and
just
fall. Some of you could slip
there,
and fall.
there.
I know, well, I thought
there.
about this one.
Oh.
But it's slippery.
No, not that one. Maybe.
Yeah, this is pretty good.
But you
Where's that
still gotta
bird?
land.
That
It's still
bird's-
wet. Like when you land, it's wet, right? So right over there, it
That
could
bird's
be wet.
just laughing at us.
Actually, I don't even know. Like I jumped.
Don't! You said don't get your feet wet, and now there's no going back.
Oh, like, it's just so slippery when I slip a lot. Like if you jump, you slip and then.
Yeah, we're not doing it. I'm glad you were able to do it.
Well, I easily could have
That's
slipped it.
slippery. This is slippery.
Well, like so, like I can get my feet. I just don't want to get the inside of the shoe wet, but that's still like an inch of decision making. You know.
Yours is probably a little bit
My
water
shoes are better
resistant
than yours.
too. Yeah, as far as
Yeah.
water goes. Yeah.
Yeah.
If it was at the end of the trail, maybe if it wouldn't matter so much.